Hello guys, I'm Prashant from ProGameValue.com. So today in this video we'll be talking about what is the best budget SSDs that you can buy under 5000 rupees in India. So guys, before starting the video, let me tell you that I have included best SSDs under 5000 rupees, and also if you have changed your mind to increase the budget, then you can also look up to the options which I have added which are above 5000 rupees. And also most of the SSDs that I have added in this video are of 250 GB, which is decent storage for all types of users. We'll only consider M.2 NVMe SSDs in this video, as I haven't seen any videos on YouTube say if you wanna buy best NVMe SSD. There are very fewer options and fewer videos on YouTube for best NVMe SSDs as well. If you have a high budget, then you have many choices, but if you don't have that much of budget, then this video is for you. Everybody is talking about SATA SSDs. Even if you search on YouTube about NVMe SSD, most of the video will be only promoting the Samsung 970 EVO Pro or Pro Plus, and I admit that the Samsung 970 EVO Pro Plus or 970 Pro is blazingly fast, but what if you don't have that much of budget? So this is why you are here for the best budget SSD. So guys, this is why you are here for best SSD under the bracket of 5000 rupees. The SATA SSDs are good for the price to performance they offer. Also, you won't see any measurable difference in boot times and game loading screens. But what if you don't have an extra port to add extra SATA SSD? So now you will look up for more options like M.2 or M.2 NVMe, but we are not talking about that. We are talking about what are the best NVMe SSDs under the price range of 5000 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we'll be only talking about the SSDs which are available on Amazon.in. So let's just go to Amazon. So first we will talk about the best SSDs that you can buy under 5000 rupees. So here I have added 6 SSDs that you can buy under 5000 rupees. So the SSD that comes on number 6 is the HP EX900. It's a 250 GB SSD, and this SSD is Amazon's choice, as you can see, but that doesn't matter for us. So this SSD has a 3-year warranty, and the price of this SSD is 4549, which is around 4550. You can say this SSD is around 4500 rupees, and it has also replacement, so it's good. So let's just talk about the performance. So guys, this SSD has a read speed of 2100 Mbps and a write speed of 1300 megabits per second, as you can see here. It's a Gen 3 SSD. More details you can find about this SSD in the video description, so you can check out the links. So on number 5 we have ADATA XPG GameX S11 Pro. So guys, as you can see, if you search for ADATA XPG GameX S11 Pro, there are 2 SSDs. So we will be talking about only 256 GB variant. In the later part we will also be talking about this one, which is 512 GB variant. So this is ADATA XPG GameX S11 Pro 256 GB. So this one is also an NVMe SSD. So guys, this one has a 3500 Mbps of read speed and 1200 Mbps of write speed. It's a Gen 3 SSD, and you get this SSD around 4900 rupees. Details you can find in the video description. So let's just move on to the next one. So the number 4 SSD in our list is ADATA XPG GameX S5. So guys, this one also has 2 variants, which is 512 GB and 256 GB. So this one too has a 5-year warranty. So this one has a feature of staying cool. So the company claims that it stays 10 degree cooler than the other SSD you use. But this one has a read write speed of 2100 and 1500 megabits per second, and it's a Gen 3 SSD, and you get this SSD around 4400 rupees. So guys, let's just move on to the next one, which is number 3. So the number 3 in our list is Kingston A2000. So this is the SSD, you can see Kingston 250 GB A2000 M.2. So guys, this SSD costs you around 3700 rupees. This SSD has a 5-year warranty. So guys, as you can see that the company hasn't even mentioned the speeds here. So if you move on here, here you can see the speed, which is around 2200 for write and 2000 Mbps for reads. So this one also is a good one. If you have a budget of around 3700 rupees, you can look for this one. Links for all the SSDs will be in the description, so you can check out the description for all the links. So let's just move on to the next one. So guys, on number 2 in our list we have WD Blue SN550. This is Western Digital Blue NVMe SN550 256 GB SSD. So don't get confused about the model number. I will provide you in the description, so you can check all the links in the description. So as this one also has a 5-year warranty. This one is also a Gen 3 SSD, and so the company hasn't mentioned the read-write speed of the SSD here. So when you go down, so let me tell you that the company hasn't even mentioned the technical details over here, like the read-write speeds. Found out that they haven't even mentioned it here. So when you come here on the comparison page of the, so here you can see the sequential read speed of around 2400 Mbps and a sequential write speed of around 1950 Mbps, which is good for the price that they offer it. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that while I was searching for the best SSDs around 5000, the price was different, but after some days I'm making the video and the prices are now very much different. So while buying the SSD, please check the links so you can know better about it. So this SSD costs you around 4300 rupees on Amazon.in. So guys, let's move on to our number 1 SSD, which is XPG S40G. So guys, this SSD costs you around 4700 rupees on Amazon.in, and as you can see, this is Amazon's choice, and this SSD offers you a 5-year warranty. This one is a Gen 3 SSD, and this SSD has a sequential read-write speed of up to 3500 Mbps read and 3000 Mbps write speed, so which is good. And if you compare this SSD with the Samsung 970, so you can clearly see that this one is clearly a winner. You get this SSD around 4700 rupees, while the Samsung SSD costs you around 7000 rupees. So you can clearly see that the XPG S40G and the Samsung 970 has a big price difference. That one is a bit expensive, I will say not a bit but too expensive for budget gamers or budget users like me. Guys, these were the SSD which cost you under 5000 rupees. So let's move on to the SSD which costs you more than 5000 rupees. These SSD will be around 7000 to 7500 rupees. So let's just move on to those. So if your budget was around 5000, then you can quit the video here, and if your budget is around 7000 rupees, you can continue to watch the video till the end. In this segment we will be talking about only 3 SSDs which I have listed, because I was making this video for SSD under 5000, but later I thought, what if someone increase the budget? So in this segment we will be talking about these SSDs which are a bit expensive but gives you quite great performance. So the number 3 in our list is Crucial P1 500GB, but this SSD costs you around 6000 rupees, and this SSD is also an Amazon's choice. This one has a warranty of 5 years. The read-write speed is around 2000 for read and 1700 Mbps for write speed. It's okay but not that good, but you get this SSD for 6000, and also this one has 500 GB space. That's why I considered this one. Let's just move on to number 2, which is Samsung 970 EVO Plus. This SSD is Amazon's choice for a long time, as you know. As you can see, the price is now raised. So as you can see, the price is now increased by I think 2000 rupees. So when I was making this video, it was around 7000 rupees. So I don't recommend you buying this SSD. So as you all know that this one has a 5-year warranty and read at speed of 3500 Mbps for read and 3300 Mbps of write speed. It's a good SSD, but I don't recommend this SSD even if you are on a high budget. So let's just move on to the number one. So guys, this SSD is ADATA XPG GameX S11 Pro. This SSD costs you around 7500 rupees on Amazon.in. This one is also Amazon's choice, and this SSD offers you around 3500 Mbps of read speed and 3000 Mbps of write speed, which is I think better than the Samsung 970 EVO Plus. So the company has not mentioned about the warranty over here. So guys, I don't know why they haven't mentioned about the warranty, but you can raise a query on Amazon about the warranty. So guys, this is the best SSD under 7500 rupees. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also guys, don't forget to join our Facebook group and Telegram channel where I share more premium tips, tricks and deals. So guys, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.